What's up, Philly Butts, and welcome to my channel. My name is Iname Kohaki, or you can call me Akari, or it's just plain Celeste. And this is my very first video directly talking to you guys, and I'm very excited to actually interact with y'all and for y'all to actually see my face for once. And today is also kind of a special video because we got a package today, and that brings us to, I guess you could call it a sponsor. Yeah, already a sponsor, I guess is what you call it. So I got reached out to by Top Kawaii on Instagram, and I will be completely transparent on this channel. I love transparency, so I'll be completely transparent with you. I did not pay for any of the items. They offered to give me 3 of their items on their website for free, and all I paid for was shipping. So that's out of the way. So at first I thought that it was kind of like a scam, you know, like when people, like random people just inbox you on Instagram. They're like, you would be great for our ambassador program, blah, 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 blah. So anytime I get that, I always go to the shop that they link and just take a look at it. Just take a look at their Instagram page and all that stuff. And I saw on there that they had quite a lot of followers. I'm like, they have a whole lot of followers, so are they like legit? Is this real? So I went to their website and just see how the website looked, and the website looked really good. Like all the stuff looked good, like, and I would never refer you guys to any place that I don't personally like. So they had a lot of items that I could use in my wardrobe. As you can see, I love to wear Japanese street fashion, and kawaii is actually cute in Japanese, so it's a lot of cute fashions, a lot of pastel colors, and I think they also sell plushies and hair accessories. So I got my package a couple days ago, and as you can see, there's already a little bit peeking out. I'm glad it didn't tear open. So I believe I got, if I can find the actual listing of the items that I got, if you like them, if you want to get them yourself, I will. If I'm still kind of new to video editing, so please bear with me. I will put the picture somewhere over here if I can figure out how to do that, if my patience don't run thin while trying to figure out how to put the pictures up. So I will put a picture of the item, exactly how it looks like in the store, in the shop website. So without further ado, it's going to be probably a short video because I only got 3 items. So let's finally unbox. Oh, cute! Oh, okay. Really excited. Oh my God, this looks really cute. Okay. Oh, this is a little logo. Oh, yeah, here we go. My light's probably too close. Can y'all see that? I'm still testing out my little setup here, so please bear with me. I'm still pretty new to this. Oh, this is super cute. Okay, I want to do the plushie first. Oh, look at, it's really soft. This is their sleeping unicorn plushie. I think my light is too bright. Let me go back a little bit. I might have to play with my lighting. But it's so soft. It's a lot brighter than it actually is because of my lighting. But it's got the little wings here, the little colorful wings, and it's sleeping. It looks like it's kind of like leaping. It's really soft. It's super soft. I like it. Very nice part of my collection. If you can, wait, hold up. Oh, you can add, it actually has a zipper here, so if you can add more stuffing or take out stuffing if you want. Cool. Okay, it's a nice little detail. I don't really see that in a lot of plushies. Usually they just seal everything shut. Okay, that's cute. That's really cute. That's definitely, ooh, that's so soft. Oh, that's super. I love me some softness. And if when you see my next videos, you're gonna probably see a lot of unicorns. I do love unicorns. Okay, so next item, I also got the hair accessory set. I got them in 2 colorways. I got yellow, and we're going to open them all up So the yellow is a color that I really want to use more. I really want to wear more yellow. So I got the yellow accessory kit or set. So as soon as I saw the yellow, I had to get it. So let's see what we get. Oh, this is cute. Oh, you got a little pink in here, but it's fine. Got this little, oh, this is really bright. Hold on. This is, I'm so sorry for the overexposure. I'm still working on this. And got this little yellow cow here. Okay, you can see it good right there. Yeah. We got a lot of things in here actually. We got this cute little bunny on the bobby pin. It's like it's a very diverse amount of items here. And we got these flowers. I'm so sorry if they're hard to see because of the light. The light is literally right behind my camera. Sorry about that. And we got some regular little yellow clips. Oh, we got one with the little flower on it. It reminds me of Hobie. Yeah, it's cute. I like that. Tries to have variety. Ooh, we got big flower. We got a big 3D flower here. Another chunky clip, just plain chunky clip. Another regular clip. And oh, this is interesting, a crisscross clip. And we have, ooh, another sunflower clip. I like this one. Oh, this is cute. We got a little lemon. And we got, oh, it's a pineapple person. This is cute. Okay, I'm quite impressed by now. They feel pretty good. They feel pretty sturdy. Yeah, these feel good. All right, okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, Top Kawaii, I see you. Oh, they have a little thank you card here. Cute. Oh, I love the hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts. This is like my favorite shape. And I got the pink ones. Yeah, I have more of a sweet style, so of course I got the pink one. I thought I got the blue one. I'll have to recheck my order at some point if I can figure out how to go back to it. I thought I got the blue one because I needed more blue stuff. But anyway, pink. You can never go wrong with pink for me. Oh, this is adorable. This is a bear with a strawberry on it. Whatever it is really cute. I feel like the pin at the back is a little too small compared to it, but it feels pretty sturdy though. Oh, it's really cute. I like that. I don't have anything like this. Cool. And I always love to add to my collection. Oh, we have another one of these chunky ones with the flower on it. And, ooh, we got another one with the rainbow. Oh, this is probably what made me get this one. These have some cherries. I think I have a couple of dresses with cherries on it. That's probably why I picked the pink one. I probably wanted it at the last minute. I could only pick 3 things, so I had to really pick something that I was going to use. Oh, we got one with the paw print. So this could be for cats or dogs, to be honest. So this is really cute. Oh, this is adorable. The little twin bunnies on the pink moon. Like strawberry moon. Yeah, strawberry moon. Strawberry moon. Oh, we got another one of those crisscross clips. I'm seeing a theme here. Oh, we have another paw print. That's cool if you want to wear some on one on each side. Oh, we got a bunny and a strawberry now. Oh, this is great. I'm actually wearing a strawberry dress right now. I could flip this on right now if I wanted to. I don't feel like this, so I'm not going to do it. Oh, we have a little pink cloud here. Yes, that's cute. Oh, I'm gonna be using this one a lot. We have pink hearts. My favorite color is pink. My favorite shape is heart. So I'm gonna be wearing this one a lot. I can already tell. They feel very sturdy. Like they're not gonna move. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. Okay, we got a few more items. Oh, it's a rainbow with a giant bow on it. Oh, that's really cute. I like that. Oh, I love this stuff. Okay, Top Kawaii, I see you. Oh, more cherries. Yay, more cherries. And our last item now is these sets of flowers. Yes. Okay, I am quite impressed. We got a lot of items. The plushie is super soft. Like, definitely going to be cuddling my little plushie during my streams. Yes, I am. Super soft. And that was everything that I got. If you liked any of the items, you can use my code Akari706 on their website to get 50% off on your order. And if you use my link below to order your items, that helps me a lot because I do earn a little bit of commission off of those. Again, I'm being very transparent, and I will have everything linked down below. So if you missed it in the video, you can just look in the description. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm so glad that you guys tuned in. If you want to see anything else from me, fashion related, you have any suggestions for videos, I'll have my business email linked down below, and you can just send me your suggestions there. Alright, what do YouTubers do? Oh yeah, if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe and press that bell and click all notifications, because YouTube doesn't like to send you notifications if you don't press that bell. So press that bell, make that algorithm sing, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.